put one more lemon.
Hello! Inspired by the Gordon Ramsay snack, I wanted to create my own version. Something quick, healthy, gluten-free, vegan, and perfect for travel. So I went to the store, I grabbed a few simple ingredients and I made these delicious energy balls right in the park. You don't need a kitchen, you don't need fancy tools, you just need 5 minutes and a few ingredients.
I'm heading to the shop. They have quite a lot of organic food. Let's find some pistachio.
Okay, maybe we can take almond milk. I don't think we need more than 50 grams. So you can take a date, around 50 grams.
Okay, just before I make this beautiful, lovely travel snack, I need to buy some juice. So let's do it. So I'm so excited. We are heading to a little park. As you can see, the beautiful view. So we have a bench here. Okay, to show you, even sit, have a look, take time, do meditation just before I make it. And I love it. So, okay, first put the gloves. Sorry about the noise. This is bags packing. I find it healthy because it's a paper and the bags. Unless you're allergic, you can use it to pack whatever. But in this case, I'm going to use just to break this pistachio. You don't need a knife or anything. You can do with your coffee cup, or you can bring the small knife and just a little bit cut it. So let's do it. So you see how it's easy. You take any pot, you put in the pot, cut them with your little knife, and this is organic cacao. Beautiful. We have let me show you. This is organic, smells amazing. It's out. Oh, squeeze it. Oh, this will make a bowl. I think this is for 2 people, definitely. I'll just put the rest of the, you can do the almond meal or you can do the cacao, and then I'll put in cacao, just make it more dry. It will look like this, and we are ready. Let's try. It's sweet, a little bit fresh from this. I would maybe put 1 more lemon. Let me know if you like it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. And subscribe. This will be nice. See you later.